Hey there, fellow hustlers. Are you ready to unlock the hidden potential of your phone and turn it into a money-making machine? Are you ready to discover how you can make money right from the palm of your hand? Today, we're going to unveil some amazing ways you can use your phone to boost your income and achieve financial freedom. In this video, we'll reveal the easiest and most effective ways to boost your income without ever leaving your phone's comfort. Say goodbye to traditional 9-to-5 jobs and hello to a world of limitless possibilities. So, grab your phone and let's dive right in. But, before we get started, make sure you've hit that subscribe button and turned on the notification bell, so you never miss out on our future videos packed with valuable tips and tricks. Number 1. Online surveys. Did you know that you can make money by simply taking online surveys on your phone? Many companies are willing to pay for your opinion on various topics. Just download reputable survey apps, sign up, and start sharing your thoughts. We've already made a previous video about the top 10 legitimate sites to make money with online surveys, so make sure you watch it after this video. I'll leave the link below in the description anyway. While it may not make you rich overnight, it's a great way to earn some extra cash during your free time. So, the next time you're waiting in line or sitting on the bus, why not make some money by completing surveys on your phone? Number 2. Mobile app testing. Ever wondered how apps are tested before they hit the market? Well, here's your chance to get paid for testing mobile apps right from your phone. Many companies and developers are constantly looking for feedback and insights on their app's usability and performance. By signing up for app testing platforms, you can get early access to new apps, provide valuable feedback, and earn money in return. So, if you enjoy exploring new apps and sharing your opinions, this could be a perfect money-making opportunity for you. And if you want me to make a further video about the top testing sites, let me know in the comments down below. Number 3. Mobile photography. Did you know that your phone's camera can be your ticket to making money? Mobile photography has gained popularity, and many businesses and individuals are looking for high-quality, unique images for their websites, social media, and marketing materials. With the right skills and a good eye for composition, you can capture stunning photos using your phone and sell them on stock photography platforms. So, the next time you're out and about, don't forget to capture those beautiful moments and turn them into cold hard cash. Number 4. Mobile freelancing. Thanks to the power of the internet, freelancing has become more accessible than ever, and you can do it right from your phone. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, social media manager, or even a voice actor, there are plenty of freelance opportunities waiting for you. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to create a profile, showcase your skills, and connect with clients who need your services. So, if you have a talent or expertise you can offer, why not turn your phone into a portable office and start earning money on your terms? And there you have it, hustlers. Making money with your phone is not only possible but also convenient and flexible. Whether you choose to take surveys, test apps, sell your photos, or freelance, the opportunities are endless. So, grab that phone, explore these money-making avenues, and start building your financial independence right from your pocket. Remember, consistency and dedication are the main key to success. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Happy money making with your phone. And see you in the next one.